Start with a magic circle and chain 3. Now make one treble crochet, yarn over twice, insert your hook into the circle and pull up a loop, pull through 2, pull through next 2, and finally the last 2 loops. That's one treble crochet made. Now make one chain 3 picot, chain 3, and insert your hook into the bottom stitch, this one, and insert your hook into both the loops and make a slip stitch. That's one picot stitch made. Now make one treble crochet, yarn over twice, insert your hook and pull up a loop, pull through 2, pull through 2, and finally the last 2. Now make one chain 3 picot, chain 3, insert your hook into the bottom stitch and make a slip stitch. Now repeat this 5 more times. One treble crochet, chain 3 picot, chain 3, and a slip stitch into the bottom stitch. That's total 7 treble crochets made. Now chain 3 and make a slip stitch into this magic circle. Now pull up this loop to close the gap. Chain 3, turn your work, and now we'll be working into this chain 3 space. Make one treble crochet and a picot stitch, one treble, chain 3 picot, chain 3, insert your hook into the bottom stitch and insert your hook into both the loops and make a slip stitch. Repeat this 6 more times. That's total 7 times. That's total 7 times done. Now to end, chain 3 and make a slip stitch into the same space, chain 3 and turn your work. Start working into this chain 3 space. Now repeat this until it's around 6 to 7 inches in size. I hope you like this video. Please do subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.